Another beautiful day, October 3rd. We're riding every day right now. Get it in while we can. Heading out with my good buddy Bill. We're going to do a ride over to the HOG sign, the intersection of H.O. and G. Maybe the high ground. I don't know if we'll stop there or not. Kind of work our way back. Who knows where, but maybe over towards the river somewhere. Let's kind of see where the wind blows. First up, stop at Chicken Chasers in Fall Creek and grab a little lunch. On along for the ride. Get us some Chicken Chasers. This place was here when I was a kid, which is long ago. Burned down and was rebuilt here just within the last few years. Alright, well, we finished up at Chicken Chasers. As usual, I didn't bother getting out a camera and taking pictures of food. It was a burger. It was a cheeseburger. It's actually a very good cheeseburger. But it was a cheeseburger, so what are you going to do with a picture of a cheeseburger? Away we go. Let's go find some beautiful roads and color. Down east of Fairchild now. Taking the eye to the north off of 10. Working our way up to the HOG sign. Hey, made it to the HOG sign. Not the first time here, but always a cool stop. Gonna have to flip this video around so it looks right, but what a fun day. Got a couple of bikes in tow here today and having a good old time. And for my friend Bill, I just want you to note that I took you to see Bigfoot on this ride. Yep, there he is, in the flesh. Kinda. Up on Wildcat Mountain straight ahead there. Parking lot's just around the corner here. Save that hike for a cooler day, because it's a toasty 85 degrees on the 3rd of October. Down County G, just a mile or so north of 121, coming up to York, and Jamie's Last Resort. Nice little stop at Jamie's Last Resort. Turned out it was happy hour, 2 for 1. It's not to like about that. Closing for the season on Sunday, so it's nice to get a stop in there. We were due for a stop, just kind of putting on the miles today. Los Feliz Road, it's beautiful back in here. And look at the views. Holy crap. Talk about some idyllic little farm settings back on roads like this. This is one of my new favorite roads this summer. Double O runs between E and basically all the way over to Strong. A beautiful little road through here. In a couple different sections. The next section up is brand new pavement, but this isn't half bad either. Into Strum. That section of 00. The section coming up the hill is so fun that I forgot to even start the recording as we're ripping up through the sweepers. What a riot. Makes me want to turn around and go run it again. Time to go home. I think there's a snake calling my name. Sit on the back deck. Enjoy a beautiful evening. We catch just a little more video on the way home here. We'll ride it again tomorrow. And the home stretch is now coming up Hillview Road. Been a great day of riding. Loving every minute of it. Can't wait to get out there again tomorrow.